Umphathiswa wezendlela nothutho eGauteng uGedibone Diale-Tlabela ungenelele ekulungiseni ungavisisani phakathi kwabaqhubi boshishino lothutho labucala nabaqhubi beeteksi. Kwangoko namhlanje uDiale-Tlabela udibene nabaphathi bendawo yodederhu lwevenkile iMaponya Mall, umbutho weteksi iNational Taxi Alliance kunye namaziko ogcino-mthetho ukuxoxa ngozinzo nokhuseleko okulandela udushe lweveki ephelileyo olushiye umntu omnye eswelekile kwaye ababini benzakele. Umphathiswa uliqinisekisile uluntu ukuba amapolisa ayibeke esweni le meko kwaye nophando liyaqhuba kwabo babandakanyekayo kubundlobongela. Okanye ke ngaphezu koko uDiale-Tlabela ucacisa ukuba bonke abaqhubi bezithuthi zikawonke-wonke bavumelekile ukuba basebenze kudederhu lwevenkile, esitsho ikhuthaza abaqhubi boshishino lothutho labucala ukuba babhalisele ukusebenza ngokusemthethweni.
Namhlanje uNgqongqoshe wezemigwaqo nokuthutha eGauteng uGedibone Diale-Tlabela ube nesithangami nabezindaba kulandela isigameko esibi esenzeka nokungazwani phakathi kwemboni yamatekisi nabashayeli be-e-hailing. uNgqongqoshe ebambisene nabaphathi benxanxathela yezitolo kanye nabomthetho kanjalo neTaxi Alliance eGoli babe nomhlangano obe yimpumelelo namhlanje ekuseni. uNgqongqoshe ube senaba kabanzi ngalolu daba.
The taxi industry in our province, in Gauteng, they have agreed that it's important to integrate, it's important to coexist and share in the province economy with all other operators. And that's why we have a platform every Friday where all of them sit and we're dealing first with issues of ensuring that everybody is legal. Coming to the issues of regulation, not only of e-hailers, including of Scholar Transport, we are dependent on National Department of Transport to finalize the regulations.
Ubese nxenxa bonke abashayeli bama e-hailing ukuthi baphume ngomningi babo ukuzobhalisa nokuvuselela izincwadi ezibagunyazayo ukuthutha umphakathi okungamaphemithi ngelasemzini.
And we are calling upon e-hailers that please let's organize ourselves in a better fashion. Law enforcement wants to do their work and they will impound you when you don't have proper documentations. Our offices are opened. We want to know who is operating because it can't be free for all.
Khona manjalo okhulumela iTaxi Alliance eGoli uthi kuningi okungekho emthethweni okwenzakalayo kule mboni wabalula nengqinamba yokugcwala kwabantu bokufika abangagunyaziwe ukuba kwela kuleli.
There now needs to be regulations that should regulate these e-hailing services because the taxis are actually governed by having to operate as per the prescripts of the operating licenses. Now, but the e-hailers, they don't have that. They can just travel nilly-willy as they wish. And that in itself is a recipe for disaster.
Ubese eqinisekisa ukuthi ukuthula kuzoba khona bazama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukulwisana nalesi sihlava kanti uphenyo mayelana nesigameko esenzeka lusaqhubeka. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV nginguNobuhle wakwaNdlovu ngibika ngisemaPonya Mall.